Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a comparison video using two stylists from Mielle Oganics, and I'm using the pink packets and they are sachets because only the sachets are available in South Africa. But before we get into this comparison video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I haven't refreshed either side of my hair, so let's take a closer look. Not much difference in terms of shrinkage. In the front of my hair, this side is a little bit longer than this side in terms of length when it comes to the front of my hair. Also have a little bit of a looser curl pattern on this side. Here my curls are a lot more defined. As I said, I haven't refreshed it. I haven't put oil on my hair or anything else. This is another look at what my hair looks like unrefreshed. More curl definition on this side, and here my curls are a lot looser. So I've just shown you guys before refreshing my hair. I didn't need to refresh my hair, especially this side, and I'll tell you what product I used on this side. I just put very little water, and what is amazing for me is this is a great comparison of using a product where I've got a bit of a looser curl pattern versus where I've got more tightly defined curls on the other side. Now I'll tell you which product I used on which side. On this side of my hair, I use the Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard, and I do have a full video and I use this all over my hair. On this side, I use the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Soufflé. Now I'll tell you a little bit more about each one as you see the application. So on this side, I use the Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard, and it promises to enhance curls with deep definition for thick, curly type 4 hair. And I don't have type 4 hair all over, but this worked really well. It has a gel consistency, and as I said, I do have a full video where you can see the results when I used it all over my head as well. Now the leave-in, I didn't use a Mielle Oganics leave-in. I used this one from Aunt Jackie's. This is the Aunt Jackie's Gold Not Having It Leave-In Ultimate Moisturizing Detangler. I use this as my leave-in, and in the video you can see me apply this. I applied it in sections. The sections weren't very small, but I also just smoothed the product through my hair. That was the styling method that I used on both sides of my hair, where I just smoothed it through my hair, making sure that each curl is coated as well. And then on this side of my hair, I use the Twisting Soufflé, and it also promises to enhance curls with semi-deep definition with intense hydration for thick type 4 curly hair. And this has a cream consistency. On this side of my hair, the souffle has a gel consistency. So very different formulas in terms of the consistency of it. When it comes to smell, they both smell the same because they're both from the Pomegranate and Honey line. On this side as well, I just use sections. I smooth it through my hair. I found that the cream kind of smoothed my hair, and then the curls developed a little bit later. In terms of length, not much difference in terms of length. 1 or 2 pieces here are a bit long, but I am in need of a haircut. So guys, this was a quick comparison using two different stylists from Mielle Oganics from the Pomegranate and Honey line, which is the pink packaging. As I said, a lot looser curls on the side. Here I've got more defined curls and more definition as well. In terms of hold, the side is a little bit softer because here there's more hold, but it's still soft nonetheless. It isn't that hard crunchy gel hold, but this side was the cream and this side was the gel, and the gel did give a much softer hold. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me comparing two stylists from the Pomegranate and Honey line from Mielle Oganics. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, thank you for joining me. You can see a full wash day routine using this line on my channel as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.